1961. The Soviet Union prepares a strike the world has never seen before. The Cold War is pushing humanity to the edge of destruction. Three men stand behind the project: Igor Kurchatov, Andrei Sakharov, Yuli Ikaritan. Together, they create AN 602, better known as the Tsar Bomba. 27 tons of steel, plutonium, and uranium, assembled inside a secret hangar. The monster is ready. A Tu-95 bomber carries the bomb over Novaya Zemlya. Beneath it, the Arctic ice waits in silence. Release. A parachute opens. 188 seconds to escape death. Inside the cockpit, every second feels eternal. Then, it happens. A blinding flash. An 8-kilometer fireball. A mushroom cloud rising 67 kilometers into the sky. The shockwave circles the Earth 3 times, 4,000 times stronger than Hiroshima. Later, Sakharov would say, "We showed the world our power." The Arctic is burned. The land is scarred. And humanity looks into the abyss. Not to celebrate, not to threaten, but to remember, so it never happens again.